get the screen a little bit zoomed in. Okay, and now we have the broad, which is just a keyword. Broad is the least of my favorite keyword because Google just goes on a tangent and it will show you ads on all sorts of keywords unless you want to dominate your niche and you want to show your ads for pretty much everything within that niche, then I would go with that. But I never use broad match for my client accounts and also for my own campaigns. I can't remember the last time I used it, unless it is for call ads, where I do. In fact, yes, for call ads, it's a different type of campaign setup I use, and there I use broad match because it works pretty well for call ads. And negative, you have negative keyword. Okay, so let's start with the exact match. So let's say we go for somebody puts in football shoe, so it will show for football shoe. It will also show for football shoes, similar. It may also potentially and probably will show for soccer shoe or soccer shoes as well, because that is also football. So Google understands what this is. What it will not show for is somebody puts in a search term football shoe prices, or let's say Nike football shoe, and so on, because we've got other terms in that search term, so that it will not show for that. So that's why we call it an exact, because we are only targeting that keyword. Okay, I've got property management. All right, Richard, I'll use that for the phrase match. So that will be in quotation marks. So what phrase match means is you can have some words either before or after that keyword. It cannot be broken with any words in between. If that is the case, the phrase match will not be triggered. So it will show for, let's say, California property management, right? And it will show for property management agents. So what we have got, the word California before the property management and the word agent after. Oops, sorry, just give me 1 second. It's been hidden by the box. Thank you, Richard, for pointing that out. Okay. So we've got California before property management and the agents after property management. What it will not show for, if somebody said something like property California management, because these two words, which are your keyword, has been broken with a word between these two, so that's not going to trigger for this search term.